Carl, I barely touched anything. I'm sure that whatever minor alteration may have occurred will go completely unnoticed. I could be any kid running a time machine. See? My hair is completely different.
You may not touch my brandy, water boy. Yes, sir. I say just right. Just right for a man. I was fooling. Oh, do not worry.
You were watching the midnight edition of the news.
Yes,
Early
master.
this morning,
En la
Robert
casa de
discovered a
los
beach whale on the
modales
shore.
estamos interesados en cómo
Robert told
convivir
his
con
neighbors to
otros
rescue
de
the
un
whale
modo
and they succeeded
agradable
in
y
returning it to the sea.
respetuoso.
One
A
rescuer named the
veces
man said,
estamos encantados
I
con
was
algo
moved
que
by
un
Robert's
amigo nos
kindness,
ha
and
hecho.
that's why I helped.
Entonces,
I'm glad the whale was
podemos
saved.
hacerle un
He seemed
cumplido
relieved.
diciéndole lo que
It
nos
was later
gusta de
discovered that
él
the
o
whale
de
was in
ella.
fact just a plastic toy, which didn't make the rescuers too happy.
Easter Bunny does it.
We asked some islanders their opinions.
That Easter Bunny
I
does
was
it.
just talking.
I don't know how that Easter Bunny
Everyone
does
looks
it.
good. I've got to get out there
I don't
too.
know how that Easter Bunny does it.
Thanks for watching. I'm Jason Davidson and this was the latest new news
Carl, I barely touched anything. I'm sure that whatever minor alteration may have occurred will go completely unnoticed. I could be any kid running a time machine. See? My hair is completely
Let's play
different.
quirky questions.
You may not touch my brandy, water boy. Yes, sir. I say just right. Just right
Mike's cheating
for
every
a
morning.
man. I was fooling. Oh, do not
Question
worry.
2.
Watch. Yes, master.
En la casa de los modales estamos interesados en cómo convivir con otros de un modo agradable y respetuoso.
Who hates sobbing
A
hysterically?
veces estamos encantados con algo que un amigo nos ha hecho.
And the
Entonces,
final question.
podemos hacerle un cumplido diciéndole lo que nos gusta de él o de ella.
I don't know how that Easter Bunny does it.
Who has a soft
Easter
spot for
Bunny does
pickles?
it. I don't know how that Easter Bunny does it.
Thanks for playing.
I don't know how that Easter Bunny does it. I don't know how that Easter Bunny does it.
Let's play quirky questions. Who has no interest in Zelda?
Well, now let me tell you about Rudolph.
Question 2.
It all started a couple of years before the big snow. It was springtime, and Santa's lead reindeer, Donner, had just become a proud
prefers when I wear?
papa. And so time passes. Christmas
Final
comes
question.
and goes on schedule, and soon it is April. That's when all the new fawns come out with their folks to meet the other new fawns and to be inspected by Santa.
Thanks for playing.
Ah, youth. Meanwhile, the elves are bustling with activity. Christmas is over, but they still keep busy with lessons and health improvement. Oh, where was I? Their last chance. Not quite. You see, ever since Rudolph left them, Hermie and Yukon Cornelius had been trying to find their friend. Well, they arrived in Christmas Town just as the storm hit. And it was a good thing that I sent them right out after Rudolph.
I'd like to thank the members of the Academy. Especially want to thank Willie Weiler, Gregory Peck, Cy Bartlett and Jim Webb for the nice words they wrote, and all of the rest of the company and the crew of the Big Country. I'd like to thank the members of the Academy. Especially want to thank Willie Weiler, Gregory Peck, and Cy Bartlett and Jim Webb for the nice words they wrote, and all of the rest of the company and the crew of the Big Country.
What a relief! I was on the floor here doing my push-ups.
I feel like I haven't seen you in ages.
Bam!
Gary's
Everything
looking
went dark and I was squashed by that.
I'm
What
starving.
do I care? I spent the whole day under that thing. Something dumb, I bet. What do you mean, all right? Look at the mess we were in just because of her. He saved our lives and he helped us find Babette. What a relief! I was on the floor here doing
Here,
my
have this as a
push-ups.
reward.
When wham, bam, everything went dark and I was squashed by that. What do I care?
I don't like to be too friendly too soon with new
I spent the whole day
friends.
under that thing. Something dumb, I bet. What do you mean, all right? Look at the mess we were in just because of her. He saved our lives and he helped us find Babette.
If you keep your body relaxed and the body is in contact with the depths of your soul, is that clear? Because it's quite important. And so, if you are stiff in any joint, you impede the current, the emotional, physical current of what the music itself dictates to you.
What should I talk about to get along with him?
If you have a stiff joint, you don't let it go
Thanks for the
through
advice. I'll go and
into
talk
the
to him.
keyboards.
You are the product of many, many ideas, many different people. And not only your teachers, but artists you've heard. Sure. It's a combination of all your musical experience which creates your voice. And that's what's most important is that you have a stamp of your own. Paul Katz, plays the cello like no other cellist.
We are
he
friends now,
teaches
thanks to you.
that ability to develop your own way of playing, your own style of playing.
Well, and that's what you taught me. I mean, that's what you...
I'm not terribly happy in hearing anyone who can imitate me and make the sound.
That's not the point.
Simple, senor. I will send for
Here,
the
have this as a
world's
reward.
greatest cowboy. Quick draw McGraw.
He is the best looking person I know.
Senor. I will send for the world's greatest cowboy. Quick draw McGraw.
You take some money. Oh, I forgot you don't carry money. A pity. See here, I'll advance you a few thousand and notify the foreign aid office. Now, this is the way it works. You take some money. Oh, I forgot you don't
Long
carry
time no
money.
see. I've been so lonely without you.
See here, I'll advance you a few thousand
I'd
and
like to
notify
introduce
the
Hans to
foreign
somebody.
aid office. Now,
How about Shibata?
this is the way it works.
What should I talk about to help them
New
get along?
Year's Eve. I just thought we could welcome the new year together by tipping a few.
Okay, I'll call them both over.
Acquaintance. Yeah. And this is New Year's Eve. I just thought we could welcome the new year together by tipping a few. Shout out, acquaintance. Yeah. And this is New Year's Eve. I just thought we could welcome the new year together by tipping a few. Shout out, acquaintance.
They became friends thanks to you.
Who will help us track down? I'll show you. Hey, Snuffles!
Here, have this as a reward.
I didn't know you were a married man type dog. Why, sure.
I've had best friends before, but Simon is the best.
Dog biscuit, Snuffles. Then jump through a window. Catch. Here, Snuffles. Here's the reward money. You deserve it all. Well then, here, live